Godfrey Gakwandi. I work for Oxfam in Rwanda. I'm responsible for agricultural value chain. I'm really excited to be in this International Floriculture Trade Fair happening here in Amsterdam. I traveled with the farmer representatives to basically see by themselves the market dynamics and also facilitate their learning around the flower industry, because we believe that there are a lot of potential in flower industry. So we want to for them to see by themselves what is actually working, what kind of varieties, what different varieties of flowers on the market, and so that they can go back and improve on their production, improve on you know their business. We want to thank the government of Rwanda through NAIEB that really supported us to to participate in this event. We also want to really thank the embassy, Rwandan embassy here in Netherlands, that worked from the day one until now to facilitate our participation. I should also thank our supporter, the European Union, that has been supporting the horticulture value chain in Rwanda. We believe that there's a lot of potential in horticulture value chain, especially the flower industry that are not, need to be unlocked to ensure that actually farmers are able to get more income from what they are doing. Thank you.